Hello students, let's start chapter 1 Green Plants. In this chapter, we are going to study topics parts of a leaf, functions of a leaf, how green leaves produce food, and interdependence of plants and animals. Green leaf. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes and have different parts. However, there are some basic parts that are common in most leaves. These are leaf blade or lamina, apex, midrib, and side veins, petiole. Now let's study in detail parts of a leaf. As in the diagram, first one is leaf blade or lamina. It is the broad, flat part of a leaf. Apex, it is the tip of a leaf. Midrib or main vein. Veins are hollow tubes that carry water and minerals. The midrib runs along the center. Side veins, veins that branch out from the midribs. Petiole, the part of that joins the leaf to the main stem. Stomata. Now let us see what is stomata. Stomata are tiny openings or pores mostly found on the undersurface of leaves. Air enters the leaves of the plants through these openings. Stoma helps the plants to breathe. A stoma is very tiny and can be seen only under a microscope. The outer surface of the leaf has a waxy coating called cuticle which protects the leaf. Now, functions of a leaf. The main functions of a leaf are to produce food, exchange of gases through stomata, food storage, transpiration or evaporation of water, reproduction or vegetative propagation. Now, how green leaves produce food? Plants need three basic things to live: water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants produce food by using energy from sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil. The word photosynthesis is made of two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means putting together. Now, the process of photosynthesis. In this process, light energy from the sun is absorbed by the green substance called chlorophyll that is present in the leaves. This energy allows the production of glucose by the reaction between carbon dioxide and water. Oxygen is also produced as a byproduct during photosynthesis. Now, interdependence of plants and animals. Plants and animals depend on each other for many things: for food, for pollination. Pollination means it's a transfer of pollen grains from one flower to another to grow new plants. Seed dispersal. It helps in the growth of new plants, as we know that along with the wind the seeds are carried away and their new plants grows. For food, animals depend on plants and animals for food. Animals can be divided into the following groups according to their eating habits. First one is herbivores. Herbivores eat plants. An example is cow. Carnivorous, they eat animals. Example is lion. Omnivorous, they eat both plants and animals. The example is crow. Scavengers feed on dead animals. Example, vulture. Decomposers, they eat and break down the remains of dead animals. The elements that are released during this process are put back in the soil and become food for plants. Example, earthworm, snail, mushroom. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep practicing.